Hello everybody and welcome to the Magical McDs channel. This is sort of an old video, but I wanted to upload it because we're really kind of documenting all the hotel rooms we stay at, and this is one of our favorites. From a few years ago when we went to Vancouver, British Columbia, to our friendly neighbors in the north up there in Canada. We stayed at the Douglas Hotel, which is an autograph collection under Marriott. It's part of the Marriott Parq Center there that is right across the street from the stadium. It was brand new at the time. Spectacular facility. Very close to Yaletown, which had amazing food and great bars. We had a good time exploring there. It is right across from the stadium, and then there's a casino in the complex. So it's a nice place to stay. It's very walkable, and we had a great time. The room was very nice and very plush. We were in a junior suite. This is back in my Netflix days, so we were comped on the hotel room. I honestly forget how much we paid, but I want to say it was under $300 a night American. Not sure what it would be in Canadian dollars. Overall, a great experience. Would highly recommend it. We miss Vancouver desperately, and if we went back, we would definitely consider staying at the Douglas again. So, without further ado, here's the room tour. Please like and subscribe. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 9th floor of the Douglas Hotel in Vancouver, British Columbia. This is an autograph collection hotel by Marriott. It is in downtown Vancouver, near the main sports arena in town. This is a junior suite, so it's a little bit larger. Nice couch. We've stayed here a couple days, so pardon any mess. Nice view. The entire complex is called the Parq Center, named primarily for this park, which is on the 6th floor, which connects the JW Marriott across the way over here with the Douglas Hotel, which we are in. The bottom floor down there by the water is a very good restaurant called the Victor. It's a good steak restaurant. We had that last night. It was lovely. If you book using Virtuoso, you'll get a $100 resort credit and a nice complimentary gift. We got a bottle of gin from the Yaletown Distillery, which is just a couple blocks away. Highly recommend eating there. King size bed. I particularly like the concrete ceilings. No power drapes. You have to move these by hand, which was a slight hassle. It would have been nice if they were electric. Great big television. Netflix comes built in. There is no pay-per-view. The other thing lacking in the room is a mini fridge, but there is a selection of amenities. Pepsis, some alcohol, some snacks, water bottles, what have you. And over here is the bathroom, which is quite nice. Nice marble bathroom. Separate toilet area. And then we have a rainfall shower. I'm not gonna lie, the water pressure isn't tremendous in there, but it was still a very nice shower with some nice product. Also in the Parq Center is Vancouver's casino, which is pretty fun. We went down there, and the high rollers that we are, we spent $20. So here's back to the view. And then another view of the stadium. All of this at night is pretty spectacular as it lights up. It's fun to throw the blinds open and kind of watch the light show. So overall, I say the Douglas Autograph Collection is 100% worth staying in. I think the regular rooms are a little small. I like the size of the junior suite. I'd recommend going with this as it's a little bigger. The staff has been exemplary. Everybody in Canada has been wonderful. So the Douglas, we definitely sign off on it. Have a good day.